Hello students, welcome to science class. Today we are going to start second chapter, that is the skeletal system, and you should know what is skeletal system. Before starting this, just imagine if there is no skeleton in our body. Will you be able to walk or stand? No. The answer is no. Like earthworm or like some other insects like snail, we will just crawl if we are not having the skeleton. Okay. So what is the skeletal system, beta? The skeletal system, it is a framework of bones that hold our body together. Okay. So it is a framework. You can see inside the body there are different types of bones. Some are large bones, some are small bones, some are thick and some are thin. All these together they make a frame, and this frame is supporting our whole body. So this skeletal system is also known as skeleton. ठीक है? Skeleton क्या होता है बेटा? कंकाल. ठीक है? Now you can see here beta, it is also known as the skeleton. Okay, and it is our skeleton that help us to stand upright and move. Now suppose, see, I am telling you the importance of the skeleton. Just because of the skeleton we are able to stand upright. हम सीधे खड़े हैं and we are able to move, we are able to walk. Just imagine I am in front of you and I am not having the skeleton. I am not having the skeletal system. So what will happen, beta? I will just crawl on the surface of the ground. Okay, like earthworm. Okay, so this skeletal system, what it is doing, beta? It is providing a framework. Okay, what it is doing? It is holding our body together. Otherwise, our body, okay, it will just be like the body of the earthworm or other insects that are crawling on the surface of the earth. Okay, and this is because of the skeleton system, or because of the skeletal system we are able to stand upright and we are able to move from one place to another place. So you can feel your bones. Okay, just press your fingers, press your wrist, press your arms. Okay, press your back, press your chest. Okay, press your thighs, knee. At every place you are going to find bones. So this is because of the bones, this is because of the frame of the bones. Okay, our body is in proper shape, we are able to stand properly. Now you can see I am standing upright in front of you. It is just because of the skeletal system. Okay, this is skull. Okay, you can just press your head, you can feel the presence of the skull. It is what? It is bone. Just press your chest. Here you will find the rib cages, and that rib cage, what it is doing? It is protecting the lungs as well as our internal organs like heart. Okay, so skeletal system is an important system which holds our body and which enables our body to stand upright and move from one place to another place.